Hey, welcome back. It's Matt Jensen from Tapestry of Africa Tours and Safaris. I am so excited that you've tuned into another video. And as always, if you like our content, if you like our videos, please subscribe, share it with your friends. We are excited and passionate about the beauties of Africa, the wildlife, the culture, and we love sharing it with others. Today, we are going to talk about lodges and camps offered on your safari. Categories and tiers of lodges and camps in Africa are not as clear-cut as other Western civilized countries where you get a star rating or some other type of rating based on a website that judges and categorizes the hotel. In Africa, there's a lot of crossover. The four main divisions for lodges and camps are luxury plus, top of the line, every amenity you can think of. Luxury, still extremely nice, lots of extras, lots of comfort, lots of pampering. Mid-level, still some amenities, very nice, but the cost seems to be a little bit more affordable for most. And then we jump down to budget, which can be as simple as just a tent with a mattress or a basic lodge, maybe or maybe not ensuite bathrooms. Today, we're going to talk about luxury plus, top of the line, primo. It doesn't get better than these. As we talk about luxury plus, one of the first and foremost options that usually is included when you get a luxury plus safari is flights between locations. There are airstrips throughout Africa near the major reserves, lodges, and camps, and so getting from one place to another in luxury on a short flight instead of a 4 or 5 hour drive is something that luxury plus clients seem to want. And then it goes to the type of lodge. We're talking top of the line camps and lodges and amenities. These will come with private butler services, private plunge pools, cuisine that is unmatched in other areas of Africa. Oftentimes, these luxury plus lodges are located within a conservancy, which is a private area managed by a trust where it has a high degree of concentration of animals and wildlife, so you get extra access to areas where other safari goers might not. A difference with Luxury Plus is most of the time you get all of your alcoholic beverages included, as other lodges and camps usually drinks are not included even if it's full board meals that are included. Other amenities that come with, or I should say bonuses that come with Luxury Plus, are additional type of safari activities. There's only certain areas in the parks and the reserves that will allow for a walking safari or a nighttime safari in the dark. Luxury Plus accommodations and lodges usually have these kinds of add-ons. And when you book a safari with your safari operator or with us, we make sure that you get to take advantage of all of these additional types of activities besides just morning and afternoon game drive after game drive after game drive. Luxury Plus accommodations on a safari can easily surpass $1,000 per person per day. So if you want an unmatched, unrivaled safari experience with beautiful views and vistas, oftentimes wildlife coming up to your balcony or close to your lodging accommodation, you want the best in food, the best in comfort, and you don't want to spare any detail, then I recommend you book a safari in the Luxury Plus class.